Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Which state government launched the Tayumanawar scheme in August 2025 to ensure doorstep delivery of ration to beneficiaries? Right answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. In July 2025, which state government launched the Mukhyamantri Pratigya Yojana to provide stipends to youth during internships? Right answer is option B, Bihar. Which state government launched the Shram Shri scheme to provide assistance to migrant workers? Correct answer is option A, West Bengal. Which state government has implemented India's first yoga policy in June 2025? Right answer is option C, Uttarakhand. Which state government launched the Vidya Shakti initiative to provide online remedial education for slow learners? Right answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Which state government launched the CM Flight scheme to connect youth with global career opportunities? Right answer is option D, Assam. The Raj Bhavan Annadhan aimed at providing financial assistance to patients suffering from serious diseases was launched by which state? Right answer is option B, Goa. In August 2025, which state government decided to provide online weapon licenses to indigenous people for self defense? Correct answer is option D, Assam. Which state government launched the Atal Bihari Vajpayee Chevening Scholarship Scheme for students to study in the UK? Right answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. Which state government approved the Aerospace and Defense Policy in January 2025? Right answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. The Baraputra Aitihya Gram Yojana, launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to promote cultural heritage and rural tourism, was introduced in which state? Correct answer is option C, Odisha. Which state cabinet approved the implementation of the Mukhyamantri Kanya Vivah Mandap Yojana across all Gram Panchayats? Right answer is option B, Bihar. Which state government launched the Chief Minister Single Women Self Employment Scheme to make single women self reliant? Right answer is option D, Uttarakhand. Which financial assistance scheme was launched by the Assam government in May 2025 for tea plantation workers? Right answer is option C, Etikoli Dutipat Yojana. Which state or union territory government launched the Mahila Samriddhi Yojana? Correct answer is option B, Delhi. Which state government launched the Go Samruddhi cattle insurance scheme under the National Livestock Mission? Right answer is option D, Kerala. Which state government launched Project Hifazat to ensure the safety of women? Right answer is option B, Punjab. Who launched the Shishtachar Squads scheme to strengthen women's safety in public places? Correct answer is option C, Delhi Police. The Zero Poverty Scheme of the Uttar Pradesh government will be named after which national leader? Correct answer is option C, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Which state government announced an allocation of rupees 1500 crore for roads and introduced the Nodi Bandhan scheme in budget 2025? Correct answer is option A, West Bengal. Which state government launched the Antyodaya Gruha Yojana to strengthen housing support for the poor? Correct answer is option B, Odisha. Which state government launched the Child Protection State Action Plan to end violence against children? Correct answer is option C, Kerala. Which state approved a pilot project for hemp cultivation? Correct answer is option B, Himachal Pradesh. Which state government launched the Skill Uday Tongai scheme in February 2025 to enhance youth employability? Right answer is option C, Tripura. In which Indian state was the Mukhyamantri Kanya Atmanirbhar Yojana launched to empower girls and young women? Right answer is option B, Tripura. Which Indian state became the first to dissolve its Madrasa board and introduce a Minority Education Act? Right answer is option A, Uttarakhand. Which state launched the Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Garibi Mukt Gaon Yojana to eradicate rural poverty? Right answer is option B, Rajasthan. In August 2025, which Indian state became the first to introduce a sabbatical leave scheme for government employees? Right answer is option C, Sikkim. Which state government introduced the Chief Minister Jeevan Anuprerna Yojana aimed at supporting research scholars? Right answer is option A, Assam. Which state or union territory launched the U Special bus service to support student transportation? Correct answer is option A, Delhi. In August 2025, which Indian state became the first to implement the Disha Abhiyan to provide equal education to students with intellectual disabilities? Right answer is option B, Maharashtra. Which state government has announced 2025 to 2035 as the decade of hydropower? Right answer is option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Which state government launched the Garuda Drishti initiative to combat cybercrime in 2025? Right answer is option B, Maharashtra. The Indira Sauragiri Jala Vikasam scheme was recently launched to empower tribal farmers by the Chief Minister of which state? Correct answer is option A, Telangana. The Talliki Vandanam scheme aimed at supporting mothers was launched by which Indian state? Right answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Which state government launched the Jyoti scheme to bring migrant children into the education system? Right answer is option C, Kerala. In which Indian state was the Shiksha Sanjeevani Bhima Yojana recently launched to provide accidental insurance to school children? Correct answer is option A, Rajasthan. The Pandit Lakshmi Chand Kalakar Samajik Samman Yojana, launched in 2025, aims to support senior artists in which state? Correct answer is option B, Haryana. Which state government recently approved the Rahveer scheme to incentivize people to help road accident victims? Correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. The Rajiv Gandhi Van Samvardhan Yojana was launched to enhance environmental conservation by the Chief Minister of which state? Correct answer is option C, Himachal Pradesh. In April 2025, which state or union territory government introduced the Ayushman Vai Vandana scheme? Right answer is option B, Delhi. In which Indian state did the Chief Minister inaugurate the Kusum C project in June 2025 to power agricultural pumps using solar energy? Right answer is option B, Karnataka. Which Indian state launched the Kalainar Kaivinai Thittam scheme to support traditional artisans? Correct answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. In which Indian state was the Mukhyamantri Samriddhi Parivar Yojana introduced to provide financial assistance for the needy families? Correct answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Which state government has recently launched the Deen Dayal Upadhyay Bhumihin Krishi Majdoor Kalyan Yojana to support landless farmers? Right answer is option C, Chhattisgarh. Which state launched the Pink e-rickshaw scheme to support women's safety in April 2025? Correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. The Free Fine Rice scheme, which provides high quality rice at no cost, was first launched by which Indian state? Correct answer is option C, Telangana. Which Indian state government announced plans to launch its own satellite? Right answer is option B, Assam. In which state has the Rajiv Yuva Vikasam scheme been launched recently? Right answer is option B, Telangana. The Shahid Madhu Singh Hath Kharcha scheme for financial support to tribal students has been launched by which state? Correct answer is option A, Odisha. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.